Razer Huntsman Elite Keyboard Review. Gaming at the speed of light. The Razer Huntsman Elite is a good keyboard with novel optical switches that have the potential to be something special. From the perspective of a physicist, light is a funny thing. It's the absolute fastest thing in the universe, but no one is 100% certain why. It's both a wave and a particle. It's massless, but has momentum. And, apparently, it's also a pretty decent way to send a keyboard signal. The Razer Huntsman Elite is one of the first ever gaming keyboards to use an optical switch, and the result is extremely promising, albeit extremely expensive. Razer's novel optomechanical switches are comfortable and, supposedly, ready to sustain your PC gaming habits for the next decade or more. But it's not just the keys that contribute to the device's high price. It's also the gaudy wrist rest, which demonstrates that not every peripheral really needs RGB lighting. In spite of its kitchen sink approach to design, the Razer Huntsman Elite is ultimately a good keyboard, and the switches have the potential to be something special. Whether it's worth recommending over a standard mechanical model, however, we'll have to wait and see. For the most part, the Razer Huntsman Elite's design looks a little like Razer's mechanical membrane hybrid, the Ornata. The keys stand at a slight elevation above the Huntsman Elite's aluminum chassis, which makes the keyboard look a little futuristic and very distinctive. It's an attractive keyboard, and its design is both a little more striking and a little more understated than comparable Razer models. You could get away with this on an office desk, and you can't say that about every gaming peripheral. What makes the Huntsman Elite considerably better than most other Razer keyboards is the addition of discrete media controls. These pretty, circular buttons can play, pause, rewind or fast-forward music files, and a ridged dial can control the volume. Discrete media controls are the hallmark of a premium gaming keyboard, and it's about time Razer offered them rather than relying on tedious FN key shortcuts.